Well, I thought I would make a quick video. There's the Jeep. There's the truck I've been working on for a while. I've done all kinds of things to this. The boxes, moved the bed. Today I just finished up. I replaced all these lights. I added backup lights, a backup alarm. I rewired the whole bed. The wiring. Rewired the whole bed. Put mud flaps on it. I did the rocker panels and cab corners on this side. Still got to make the running boards, but I got more body work to do. Put a water pump in it, put radiator in it, all the other good stuff. But the big thing is, I am in a shop now. I had to get a shop. I was getting too busy, not enough room. So I have a 1,200 square foot shop. Give a quick tour. Got storage over here, a couple of projects. That's a geoprobe, the ATV, the Jeep, one of them. Some storage. This is a trailer I got for free. I'm going to rebuild it from that line up and turn it into a welding trailer. But going on for the shop, oh yeah, look at that. Got cold beverage in here. But this is the shop. Got a loft up there. I can put bulk steel. Air compressor. Got another one of those. Rebuild it. It works for now. Sink. Miscellaneous stuff. Still in the process of moving in. Been here for 2 months. Still moving in. I got a whole bunch of steel to bring up. All this steel will go up there. I got some stainless up there. I got some more stainless right there I got to put up. Drill press. Got an ice machine, commercial ice machine. Got to get that cleaned up and put together. Got the welding rig. Probably gonna maybe take and put this on a separate cart and then leave the TIG machines on this. Plasma can probably, I don't know, I might make a separate cart for that, but it may stay on there for now. Toolboxes, I'm in the process of trying to find a mid box and a top box for this. The grinder is probably going to go over there somewhere when I put the sheets up there. Probably going to put the grinder there because I'm going to build a workbench right here. And then the ladders will probably go over there with that ladder. And I'm probably going to build an 8 or 10 foot workbench. And then as soon as I get that trailer done, I'm going to make a fab table to fit underneath it here. Make a fab table and then put a bunch of lighting up here, light up the fab table. And then I'm going to make a gantry crane. I got that to fix and the generator to make a new frame for. That's another drilling rig, well, water well drilling rig. And as soon as I clean that up, then I'm probably going to put this over here by the grinder for now because it'll fit right here. And then I'm going to build a gantry just big enough to fit under the lights. I may take the lights and may move the lights up to there, build a bracket, take the lights up a little higher, and then I can build a gantry that'll fit up under there. I don't know how high that is. Let's figure out how high that is. $10 foot. If I could build like a 9'6" gantry, that'll give me a 9 foot clearance to run the gantry. Well, 8 foot gantry with the crane and everything on it. but not bad. Got a new trucking company moved in next door. I'm only about 3 blocks from the house. So that makes it real easy to get here. Other than these freaking yin-yangs out back. This hair salon smoking dope back here. They smoke dope back here and then it blows right in the fan. That's about it for now. Catch y'all later.